Multiplying polynomials. This is the second part of multiplying binomial, and I call it special product. There are two cases of special product. We'll counter the first example when you have a binomial times another binomial, but you notice they're almost the same except the negative here and the positive here. So b minus 6 and b plus 6. So this is the first special case, and let's get started multiplying the binomials. The first by the first gives you a b squared. The first by the second gives you positive 6b. We're done from the first term. Now the second term times the first gives you negative 6b, and negative 6 times positive 6, that's the last by the last, gives you minus 36. Now what's unique here that you have those terms, if you want to combine them, they're already the same one, but it's reversed to each other, one positive, one minus. So 6 minus 6 equal to 0, which means these terms are going to cancel out. So what left is b squared minus 36. So this is the first case when they have to cancel out. Now, the second case, if you have this one, 4j plus 2 equals squared, which technically means it's time itself. That's what it means when you have the square. You'll notice now it's the same one and the same sign. They're not different no more. You're going to see why is it a special case. 4j times 4j, well, 4 times 4 is 16. J times j is j squared. First by the second, 4j times 2, that's 8j. We're done from the first term. Second term by the first gives you positive 8j. Now again, it's the same. And 2 times 2 gives you a 4. Now what you notice is the middle one, they're not opposite in signs anymore. They're actually 8 plus 8, and we know this is 16, which is technically double of the 8. So in this case, we don't cancel out, we double up. Now what's left is 16j squared plus 16j plus 4, and this is actually your answer to expand this binomial. So basically we discussed the special cases when you have the same binomial but one minus, one positive, and the other one when you have the same sign, positive or negative and negative. So what you do in this case, if you have it, so your first one squared and the last one squared, because 6 times 6 gives you 36, and you notice this cancels out. In this case it doubles up because they're both the same sign. So you take the middle one, which is 4 times 2, and that's an 8, and you double it, and that's a 16. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and do the practice right now. Thank you.